Okay, you gotta sit still, remember, and hold on. You're not allowed to climb out or you'll get in trouble.
Adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Well, how would it go?
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
It went this way. No, no, that way.
This would be a curious place to go.
Oh, by the way, he went somewhere. I'm not sure where I am. You could try this way.
So let the babies play. We're painting the roses red and making the cherries red. Because we know the 60
Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
And Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
We're on the roof.
She gets so angry when the rides are finished.